Hi all, today I am back with a new lesson that is so interesting for you. Before telling the topic, I would like to show some things for you that I have specially made for you. If I show you those things, you will be knowing the title. I think you might have guessed by these things. Yes, did you guess? Yes. Today's title is Life of Pi, which is written by Jan Martel. This is a part of 12th standard Samachir, and if you are not our subscriber, do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Lesson Life of Pi, which is written by Jan Martel. So you can see the title here, Life of Pi, which is written by Jan Martel. Life of Pi is actually a book which is written by Jan Martel, and that book was published in the year 2001. And that book, it has been awarded with the Man's Booker Prize. Later, the same book was taken as a movie by the director Ang Lee, and that movie also has been awarded Oscar. Fine. This lesson, that is the lesson that is in your book, is an abridged version of the novel written by Jan Martel. It's a short extract given to you. Fine. So coming to the lesson, that is, I have taken the lesson in the form of key points and I have ordered here. So coming to the key points here, Pisain Molitor, Pai Patel, Indian boy, Pondicherry. So the main character, the protagonist of our story is Pisain Molitor Pai Patel, and he is shortly called as Pai. So he belongs to a Patel's family, okay, Patel's family, and his father and his family stayed in Pondicherry. He is an Indian boy, okay, and his father is a zookeeper. You know what's a zoo? Where a variety of wild animals were kept. So his father keeps a zoo and they all stayed in Pondicherry. So what happens is, the father could not maintain, that is Patel could not maintain his zoo, so he has planned to sell all the animals. Okay, so he has hired a ship. That's the next point. His family embarks across the Pacific Ocean on the Japanese cargo ship Simpson. So he has hired a cargo ship. What is a cargo ship? Cargo ship is a load ship. So here I have got a model for the Simpson ship. So it's actually a load ship. It will be having several floors. In one such a floor, the animals will be loaded, and he and his, that is Patel and his family members, including the main character of the story, Pai, also travels in this. Okay, do you get an idea? Okay. If you see this name of the ship, Simpson, here the name of the ship, Simpson, T is silent. You should pronounce Simpson. Okay, so in the Simpson ship, they all have started their journey with a menagerie of zoo animals. What's a menagerie? Menagerie is a collection of zoo animals. So what's their plan? They are going to sell it in the North American zoos. So see this, with a menagerie of zoo animals sold to North American zoos. Then what happens? This is the real twist of the story. The shipwreck and the Pai's family. Due to some natural disasters, the ship has been wrecked. Okay, if you happen to see Titanic movie, you might have got an idea. That is, the weather is very bad and there arises a storm and thereby the ship is wrecked. Adhaadu kadalla and the kappal, periya kappal vandu muzhigiduchu. And what happened to Pai's family? Not even a single member of Pai's family is saved from it. Okay, all were drowned into the sea, including all the animals of the zoo. Then, Pi survived in a lifeboat. Pi survived in a lifeboat. So Pi only, the main character of the story, Pi only got survived in a lifeboat. Okay, you might happen to see a lifeboat. Lifeboat is nothing but all big ships will be having a lifeboat. In case of any emergency, people use that lifeboat to safeguard themselves. Okay, so here I have got a model sample of lifeboat. So this is a small ship. Okay, a lifeboat. Then with a zebra, orange juice, named an orangutan, that is orange juice, that's an orangutan monkey, a hyena and a Bengal tiger, which is named Richard Parker. So Pi got surprised to see, he thought that he is the only survivor in that lifeboat. But to his surprise and shock, there are 4 more survivors along with him. The first one is the zebra, that is in that zoo. The second one is the hyena, that's a wild animal that you can see it in the screen. It's a ferocious wild animal. And the third is an orangutan, it's a kind of monkey that also you can see it in the screen now. And that orangutan is named as orange juice by Pi. And fourthly, that's a great beast, the adult Bengal tiger. It's a male adult Bengal tiger which is named Richard Parker by the Pi. Then, Pi's pathetic condition, alone and orphaned. Even though Pi got survived from that shipwreck, he is in a pathetic state only now, because he is all alone and he is orphaned from his family. From his family in the sense he lost his mother, his father, his elder brother, everybody is lost. And he is all alone in the mid of the Pacific Ocean. And everywhere, I told you it's a storm, and everywhere huge waves are arising. And it is trying to swallow him, and thereby he is surrounded by sharks that are prowling, that is jumping around him, and as well as it's a heavy rain. So the lifeboat is struggling to get its support, and thereby what happens, he is hanging on to an oar. To get a support, he just hangs on to an oar, and it's a very pathetic condition for Pi, that too a small boy of age 16 only. Then he is hanging on to an oar. The huge waves, storm, rain, sharks, then the great ship. The great ship, the Simpson, on which they all travelled, it started wrecking, slowly drowning it's drowning inch by inch, it's drowning inside the sea. Okay, the lights of the ship just flickered, that means it blinked. Okay, this scene also you might have seen in Titanic. Okay, the full of the ship is collapsed, the whole of the ship is drowning slowly, the sea is eating the ship slowly, and there is no hope for him. Even though he is in a pathetic situation, he is just searching for the things, if something could bring some hope to him, but there is no hope. Nobody got survived except him. He is the only man who had been safeguarded from that shipwreck, and no things gives him hope. All his hope has been vanished. Then hyena killed and ate the zebra and the orangutan. And it's the next day's morning. Okay, the day that the shipwreck happened in the midnight, and the next day starts. He doesn't notice even the dawn of the day, that is even the sunrise. He is too tired. Okay, and I told you already that there are some more survivors, that are some more wild animals in the lifeboat, that is a hyena and the zebra and orangutan. Hyena is a ferocious animal, I told you. So that in a mad state, it started eating the zebra first of all, and the orangutan, it killed it, pounced on it, and it killed on the lifeboat itself. These all things happened in front of Pi's eyes. Okay, so the orangutan has been killed and ate, the zebra has been killed and ate by the hyena. Then 2.5 days pinned to the tarpaulin. Beneath him, 450-pound Bengal tiger in a 26 long lifeboat. So for the first 2.5 days, it's a very bad thing for him. It's like a nightmare for him. The first 2.5 days, he hasn't drunk even a little drop of water. He is starving for the first 2.5 days. He is pinned by the weakness. He is totally exhausted out of weakness, and he is just laying on the tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is nothing but a sheet that is used to cover the lifeboat, that you can see it on the screen. Then, so he is just by weakness, he is just laying, he is just pinned to the tarpaulin sheets, and beneath him is the main, yet another character of the story, 450-pound Bengal tiger. Okay, 450-pound Bengal tiger in a small lifeboat. He is puzzled how 450-pound Bengal tiger is able to occupy in a 26 feet long lifeboat. How this lifeboat is able to carry this much heavy tiger. So that's been a puzzle to him. Then beneath him, I told you he is sitting, that is, he is lying on the tarpaulin sheet. Beneath him, that is straight under him, is the Richard Parker. Okay, that is the tiger is under him. Okay, so see how much he is exhausted, as well as he is not at all worried about the things. Some causes made him living. So if the tiger thinks of a while, it might any time jump on him and it might have ate him. Then if the waves somehow it might caught him and it might drown. The lifeboat, losing its control, might have sink in the sea. And somehow there are a lot of chances of him to die. But there is something in him, there is something that God gives to him that makes him alive even now. So that also is again a puzzle to him. Then, that's the lifeboat which occupies 32 people. So in that lifeboat, it has the capacity of occupying 32 members. So 32 members, imagine if there are 32 members, how happy it would be. Pi is thinking that I am the only survivor in this lifeboat, but this lifeboat can occupy 32 members. So these things were written in the lifeboat. If you see the ship on the boat, the outer surface of the boat, or on the ship, the details of the ship will be written. The measurements of the ship will be written. Similarly, on the lifeboat also, the measurements as well as the number of occupants, everything was written. So on seeing every detail he is seeing every detail of the lifeboat. Why he is seeing so? Why he is doing so? He is thinking that even a minute detail can somewhere help him. So that's what his thought. Then, orange, the color of survival. So the whole of the lifeboat is designed and it's painted in the orange color. Okay, so see, that's why I have also given my lifeboat an orange color. This is a lifebuoy. I will tell you why I have attached this. So I told you here it's a tarpaulin sheets. Here and this areas will be the tarpaulin sheets. He is lying here in a weakness, and under this is Richard Parker, and here is the hyena. So the color of survival is orange, I told you. Why is the color of survival orange? Because orange is a fluorescent color. Okay, it could be easily visible to the person who is far away. Suppose if there is a flight crossing or if there is a ship some kilometers away, if they happen to see through binoculars, they can clearly see this lifeboat because of its color. So that's why the lifeboat is colored like that. And not only the lifeboat, but the things of the lifeboat is also in orange color. What are the things available? See, oar. Oar is nothing but you might know it. It's a துடுப்பு அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. இந்த தண்ணியை தள்ளறதுக்காக வச்சிருப்பாங்க. That you can see it in the screen. Then tarpaulin sheets, I told you, that is in a mixture of white and orange color. Then whistle. Why is a whistle needed there? To attract or to blow whistle when someone is nearby. And that whistle is also a headless whistle. Headless whistle is not like our normal whistle. It's a different one. That also I'll show you in the screen. And that whistle is also orange in color. So this is the description of the lifeboat in which pie is there. And these are the details that has happened in the first 2.5 days. And later what happened. Then how it goes on. Okay, so that's what we are going to see in the part 2. For seeing the part 2, you can click the I button on the screen. Thank you for watching.